part 2. This one I will read it for you. This message for the unlimited reading for the messenger. So the Ozago Papillon February. No, the Canaman Nico you tired to retraco Helen Papillon February. I took a Katia Pacati and so yeah. So now here. Katia Shepera, the Pama by Master Vidavi, Pama video, Mada, Mason Nega, okay. So I will. Upload it later. Number 1 would have number 2 need happy down body. As well. So number 2 like got to get the Oracle Tarot reading the message in it, the guidance message in it, amazing as well. Helen happy very as ready the message the phone and my go Tito message that was happy made in the go to game teaching a message of people teaching us teacher me go you message about put happy bar. I took a package in a teacher shape or no, they listen when I was something like that. Well, we need number 2 little paper domano. Number 2, okay. That's right, Kajaro. Number 2, Maga. I will take a trigger so him. Previously, Messuya, Koyanguari, Pubio, Tapalari, Bono, as a recadaro, the Tapalari, Peteco, Globulari, Quinagiale, Brightulari, Boundless water, Messuya, Mimico, to Josani, to Diabono, very good, Dutelani and Tuyare. And he in the cool job with our look. I made the maga, the queer pity move, choke sick finally, Kuma Witty, Kumura, not Kumiko, choke LGBT Jewish, Miko, Kamamu, Hali, the Shikashina. And I remember them not for the Mitasu Magoga. Pillow Nera, Lepillo, Gini, Nera, Lepillo, Gigo, Jamdoyera, Bono, Mimi can do that Jamdoyera finally that she got Shibono. So now in this is true. So now in your family, like you're the oldest one, but you don't want to share about your experience and worry and risks and challenging to your family, and maybe also you are in the middle, you cannot talk about your experience, and in the middle is like because in our Asian culture we don't know how to talk openly, how to share it, and also that you maybe if you are the youngest, you are so scared to show who you are. And even though if you are the LGBT Jew, you don't know how to come out in your life. So this stays scared. Maybe something scared in your life. So now, but you love your home, right? Make sure you are the and below you side day, Janare. Because you always taking care of your home. That's why your home is a little improvement more than before. Now you certified about your home, right? You give side Janai Tema Pare, any Patapiro, Pavipi, Ingodika Uzapi Tema Pare, Enga, Pubiro, Pisonare, by Machi. Okay. Nabero Kajaro, Dima. Moment lady, moment the attaining Ramasoye. Then I try each like that, no? Because you're thinking about every moment you want to sleep enough. So that's why that you don't want to share about you stay satisfied about your life, but take a moment you take enough, you can sleep enough as well, but you don't think about too much. It will be better for you sleeping because you're thinking a lot. That's why that you have maybe if you have the problem, this problem come out to your mind during when you sleep. That's why you feel like when you wake up you are not enough, you're dry. So that's why enjoy at the moment. When you sleep, you forget everything. Like release, let it go about your burden or anything, everything. Yellow is at a comma, so မိမိမှာအတွေးတွေများတဲ့ကိစ္စတွေရှိတယ်ပြဿနာတွေရှိတယ်မဖြေရှင်းနိုင်တာတွေရှိတယ်ဆိုရင်အကုန်လုံးကိုလက်ကိုလုပ်လိုက်ပါလက်ကိုလုပ်ပြီးတော့ညီအေးဆက်ဆက်ညီတလေးအသက်ကလေးကိုရှင်းပြင်းပြီးတော့ညှိချအိပ်ပြလိုက်ပါပေါ့နော် So if you cannot sleep just breathe in and breathe out simple breathe in and breathe out okay so now you know this constant breathe in and breathe out you just memorize but that's why you don't think about any too much okay So now you need to do this one and another thing is like you have the messenger. It's messenger like I think that you love the birds, right? It's a kind maybe it's a kind of the parrot or another different messenger. So now I see it because when you are sleeping and also in a daily light time as well because you are doing something but your mind is disappearing from here to another place so this is the thing is like you cannot concentrate the fully commitment if you do that so yeah at the time because you are stay here but your mind is another way that's why you are beautiful thank you so now at the time you are just doing for like even though you enjoy at the moment but your mind is disappearing at the moment that's why that you have difficult of your mind like usually we have ဘာလို့လဲဆိုတော့ခါကြတော့ဒီမှာကျွန်တော်တို့တွေကကိုယ့်ရဲ့ဘဝကိုအလုပ်တစ်ခုလုပ်နေတဲ့အချိန်မှာဒီနေ့အချိန်မှာပဲဖြစ်ဖြစ်ညအချိန်မှာပဲဖြစ်ဖြစ်ပေါ့နော်အိတ်ဆက်တဲ့ဆိုရင်အိမ်မက်တွေအရင်မက်တွေအေးမိုးအောင်ဖြစ်တယ်ပေါ့နော်နေ့အချိန်မှာဆိုလေI don't know why I see something in your eyes that you want to hide. I'm not hiding. So I'm reading for the cards. I'm not hiding for the person now. I'm reading for Oracle card. That's why I just check for Oracle reading. So I have to read it here. I cannot look at the camera. Okay. So now. So လို့ပြောလဲဆိုတော့ဒီမိတွေကဒီဥစ္စာကိုဒါကဖလိုက်တဲ့အချိန်မှာပေါ့နော်thank you for comment okay so now ဒီနေ့အချိန်မှာဆိုရင်ဒီ focus လုပ်လိုက်တဲ့အချိန်မှာဒါမိတ်ဆွေကဒီအလုပ်တစ်ခုကိုအခုမှပြတာကင်မရာကိုကြည့်နေရကင်မရာကိုကြည့်နေမှာကိုယ့်ရဲ့စိတ်ကတခြားနေရာရောက်သွားတယ်ပေါ့နော်နောက်တစ်ခုအနေနဲ့ကိုယ်လုံးနေတယ်အာရုံစိုက် 100% လောက်ပါရဲ့နဲ့ကို 100% ကဖြစ်မနေပဲနဲ့တခြားနေရာမှာဒါဖြစ်နေတယ်ပေါ့နော်အဲ့လိုမျိုးဒီစိတ်နှက်ခွတွေဖြစ်တတ်တယ်ညအဲ့ဒီခါမှာအေးလေးမိုးရကိုအဲ့လိုပုံစံမျိုးတွေဖြစ်နေတယ်ဖြစ်နေတဲ့ခါကျတော့အဲ့တော့မိတ်ဆွေတွေတွေကဒီမှာပြတ်ထိုင်တိုင်းနေအဲ့ဆိုဘယ်လို dancing in the flow ပုံစံမျိုးကမှုမဝင်နေဘူးပေါ့နော်အဲ့ဆိုတော့ dancing in the flow ဖြစ်ဖို့ကကြာကိုကအရာရာကို council me, I will try the best. I will put all the action 100%, but I don't really get to any intention, any feedback. So, the kilo, Dima, Mimi Kurandi, losing it at the Kuro, I inside let go of the milk, go with the flow. I put them in a bar, so in that missing in a commitment keep Lurebono. I come out to what the time I am doing. I will get in the management okay, as you know, this is the number 2 and message reading pattern. As you now, so many. The Kura Mimi Kuraido just wear the light dress and then it will be bright and shine. Depends on you. So hello, the Wasari new dress. I mean new dress is like after you wash, it's also new dress, right? You don't need to find a new t-shirt or nothing, but you have to wear like clean dress. You will be showing your energy. You can make sure we saw that in where was a queer sheet with Sally, but that's just in there. Don't talk about it, maybe, or Talapapa, tell you maybe LGBT, make a good blow up here, and maybe Massimo, it's a my number 2. No, I look you know, saying that Tapalare, a shy pillar, glow pillar. Okay, so now this is the number 2 reading already. But just remember that. You are taking care of not only your body, but also taking care of your mind as well. Me say, "Bari lutsiniale, bari pitiniale, sali wo grita samshao biyo." Meswika, she was a chabalo. The kind of 2 reading to Piabitimari. As a dinner video, thank you so much, Pa. As a video can be by me. As a raw, the 2 video can upload. Tomorrow, I will end this video now. Thank you. See you in the 3 video.